Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Santahat token. Now this is a brand new Solana meme coin. I just saw it trending on DEX tools, also trending on DEX screener as well. Right now it's trending number 3 on DEX tools and number 3 on DEX screener at the same time. They already have 8,060 holders, and this token basically just came out 16 hours, 1 minute ago on Raydium. This is a brand new Solana meme coin, and it is time for the Christmas tokens to come out. Yesterday I did a video on the, I believe it was called Dog Whiff Santahat, all one word, and ticker symbol was Santa Whiff. And then now we have the Santahat token, which is kind of similar. I saw on their Twitter, they're basically just taking this Santa hat and then putting it on all sorts of people's heads like Trump and whatever. And you could basically kind of like have a AI image generator where you upload your face and then put this Santa hat on there. And it's a way to chill out and promote the token within the community. And we're going to go over the information on the Santahat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, brand new, hot off the press. I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here. At Santa on Sol _, and their Twitter joined in September 2024. They have 3,978 Telegram members already, or sorry, Twitter members already, and they have a link to their Telegram right there and a link to their webpage right there. If you want to check out the webpage, it is Santahat on Sol XYZ. And in their pinned tweet right there, they also have the webpage, Telegram, and they have the contract address as well. Now, the contract address ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. In their pinned tweet also, they have a video that shows all the different people and memes wearing the Santa hat. So they have Pepe wearing it. They have Peanut the Squirrel, Vitalik Buterin, Michael Saylor. They have the Giga Chad, Elon Musk, you name it. They're all wearing this Santa hat. So like I said, it's a funny way to promote the token. You can put the Santa hat on anyone. They just got listed here on NTM.ai, talking about the new Santa hat listing on there. They submitted a request in one of their most recent tweets to be listed on CoinMarketCap. You can see the request ID number for that. And then also CoinGecko as well. So they probably will be listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap soon. And if you want to find the token right now, you can find it on SolScan, but like a good place to see the chart and the price and the statistical information is to go over to DEX Tools, Birdeye, or DEX Screener. Now, if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download one from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage right there. You can find it in their pinned tweet. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably won't have to set slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. And this token may also become available on other Solana dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and then also maybe some Central Exchange listings in the future. And that's why it's a good idea to follow their socials, like the Twitter and their Telegram, which is at Santahat Coin Portal. And their Telegram has 519 subscribers. That's a great place to find updates like new partnerships, token listings, memes, announcements, etc. And you can preview the Telegram channel before joining. If you go to their webpage, they basically have a how to buy, CoinGecko, Dex Tools links, Raydium, Twitter, Telegram, and it says, we celebrate the iconic Santa hat from Runesape. So that's where the Santa hat was basically copy-pasted from. One of our community's most beloved items. We explore its history and impact on a symbol of status and nostalgia in the game. With humor and creativity, we bring a fresh perspective to the meme universe. It's a tribute to the magic and culture of this pixelated world. So the tokenomics, it says 100% liquidity burned, 0% taxes, 1 billion tokens. Santahat has successfully established strategic partnerships with other leading projects in the crypto space to leverage connections for long-term growth and support. Now, these ventures have successfully exceeded a market capitalization of $10 million and have entered the top tier 1 exchanges. Solana chain has been rapidly expanding with many successful projects emerging in the ecosystem. This will continuously add support and enhance the potential of our ever-growing success with the Santahat token as Solana chain becomes more recognized. Santahat brings together a diverse community of holders who share a passion for Pepe the Frog with steady growth on Solana, consistent support from the community. Santahat continues to receive interest from prominent figures in the crypto space. They give you a step-by-step how to buy on the webpage. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, you could just follow the steps on the webpage. Real simple to do that. Now, this token is doing extremely well. Just came out 16 hours, 8 minutes ago. Already has a market cap of $1.4 million. 24-hour trading volume of $8.4 million. It's up 1,484% in the past 24 hours. They have $190,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.